Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video will show you how to transfer data from an old iPhone to a new one. Are you looking for a way to transfer your data to your new iPhone? Stay tuned because this video is for you. So the most common way of doing this is by using iTunes, but you can use iCloud as well. But in this tutorial, we won't be using any of those. All you need is a stable Wi-Fi connection. Okay, to begin, swapping up your new iPhone will notify the old one for the setup. Tap Continue on the old iPhone. An image will appear which you will need to scan your new iPhone. Hold up your new iPhone to the camera. Enter your passcode on your old iPhone. The setup will then begin. This process might take some time, so be patient and wait. After it's done setting up, you have the option to set Face ID or not. After skipping, you have two options. It's either transfer from iCloud or from phone. Choose transfer from iPhone. So start setting up your new iPhone. It's that simple. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.